Hello everyone. Today we will look into our another function, an important function, which is cross filter in the DAX. We have to basically use this function for using the relationships between among the tables. So let's go into the definition of that. Single cross filter direction means single direction, and both direction means both direction. A relationship that filters in both direction is commonly described as bidirectional. For one to many relation, the cross filter direction is always from one side and optionally from many both sides, bidirectional. So let's look into that, what we are trying to do. Okay. So this is our data model, and in this data model we are trying to count the number of products sold on a different dates, right? So this is our fact table which has all the details, but these tables are not linked directly because this it has one to many relationships, means one product could be sold many times, and one date sales could be many sales could be done on one date. So let's go back to the visual and try to do let's do what we're trying to do. Okay, let's enter the date key. So these are our dates, and we want to know what how many products are sold during that date. So let's enter the products and include the product key. So let's create a formula. We have created a count product formula. Count products, count dim product. Okay, let's use this formula here. You see here, if you look at there, you see there are all the products are like same number of products are sold, right? 2517, 2517, 2517. But we want to calculate the unique, we want to calculate distinct number of products sold on each date. And what's happening is here is that because these tables are linked with this product table is linked with the fact, and the direction calendar table is linked here. So if we use this product count on this date, we won't be able to do that because they are not directly linked together. And there is one way we can achieve this goal by making this function. Let's see the properties. It's one to many, and it is cross filter direction is single. If we make it both, it will be, let's do that now, both directional. And when we make it both directional, it gives us the exact number of sales products sold, count of products sold on different dates. Let's look into the SQL where I have run this. Select date key, count distinct product as distinct product count from this. For example, the result we have here is on 2007 January 1st we have 1204 products, and these are these products like this, and the same result we are achieving now here. But here we have to uh, we achieve this by modifying our data model. You see, we modify our data model from single to both directions. But here we have done that. But in many cases where changing the data model is not advisable because maybe the data model is complex, so we have some other uh, scenarios in our data model where we cannot achieve this by simply changing it to both. So let's save it and go back to our visual. You see now it's again showing the same number. So we can achieve our this goal by writing a measure where we don't have to change our data model from here. We don't have to change this thing. So here we have a measure function which we can write. So let's write. I have already created that, and I will show you, which says count district products. I will copy this and I will make it highlighted here so that it is. So here what it says, cross filter is the definition, and count distinct product is equal to calculate. Here we use the clause calculate, count rows of dimension product table, and then we have a cross filter means uh, we will join the dimension product key to fact product key. Like here we have a data model, dimension product to this is here joined, but here we did cross filter and a both. So instead of changing over there, we wrote this dimension here by using both. So let's copy this. So let's look into that. We have already created this. We will write it again just to show you. CALC calculate count rows of dim product table, comma, and then we have a cross filter. Dim product key to fact product key. dim product key, dim product key, cost bracket, comma, fact sales product key, fact sales product key, comma, we needed both directions, cross filter to both. So that's how we achieve it. So the advantage of writing a Meyer is that we don't have to change our data model. We can use this Meyer and then and utilize this here. So I will remove this count, and I will use this count district. Count district. You see the total count of product are 2517, and on date Monday 2000 Monday January 1 2007 we use this 1204. So that's how we can achieve this. So instead of changing our data model, we can use this Meyer to uh, achieve our goal of counting the products by date. And I have verified these numbers by running SQL query, where I simply wrote select date key, count distinct, product key as distinct from this, and then we have the 1204 and this. So we cross verify, and this works perfectly all right, and that's why we use the cross filter. So I thought that is a very important feature of the Power BI DAX. So I thought we should cover this today, and I hope uh, you like this video. If you like it, if you think this video is very useful, please subscribe. Thank you very much and have a great day.